have no idea what episode this is. Take one. Wait till I get standing back up.
Hey, everybody. Just kidding.
I will murder you. I have swords.
Oh.
Hold on one sec. I forgot.
Heather, I just put on my,
I'm sorry. I forgot my nose stuff.
my newscaster smile. Oh, look. This is my vibe. This is how I want my rosé wine delivered. That's my vibe.
It's delivered by a muscular man on a fancy tray.
Yeah.
At the beach.
At the beach.
All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, my jacket.
Fuck Heather.
Intro, take one.
I have nothing written down, Heather.
Okay.
I'm flying off the seat of
There. Now I look like a professional with my kitty cat t-shirt. Damien's the real star of the show. Because he's always in the center there.
That was my something to add.
Okay. Great addition. Quality content.
Ironically, I'm going to pronounce this wrong.
Do you want me to pronounce it?
Heather's going to pronounce it, which is just hilarious because both of us went and took French immersion. So technically, we're both bilingual.
You should be able to say
I
it.
should be able to say this, and I feel really rusty.
So,
Do you hear my tummy gurgle?
no.
Oh.
It's quiet. I've got a quiet tummy. Sometimes mine gurgles and my cat looks at me like, you want more?
Yeah.
She wants more.
I need it more.
Anyway.
I'm ready when you are.
Okay. All right. Branding. This is actually a blend of reds.
Yes.
That none of which I can pronounce. So I'm not even gonna try.
Okay.
That gives us time to move on to company.
I was like, I don't have anything else. We're not perfect, and I don't want to be. Being perfect is boring. Way too much pressure.
Oh, we don't have the clacker. That's what we're missing.
Clacky.
Missing the clacker.
Clackety clack clack.
I played D&D last week, and I needed a spur-of-the-moment voice, and all I could think of was the Swedish Chef. So that's what my character's fake accent sounded like. This is like that hint of perfume, which is how you should be wearing it. Hello, good people of the internet, and welcome back to Drinks and Design with Heather and Amelia. I'm gonna do that again.
I liked it.
Oh, that's a generous pour.
Sorry, girl. Or you're welcome.
Hey, don't apologize.
I don't know why I'm apologizing.
Hydrate, though. Hydration is important when drinking.
So for those of us that don't totally understand herbaceous,
Herby.
me, floral, think florals.
Herby, like, herbs. Rosemary,
I
thyme.
trust you. Yes, I agree. They did a really great job as well.
Mm-hmm.
Really liked it.
All right. I'm bleeding.
Oh, why?
I don't know.
Where are you bleeding from?
My finger.
Well, don't bleed. Do you need a Band-Aid?
But good job.
Cheers.
Branding. That was really high pitched. I
Sounded
sounded like a
me.
I sounded like a Muppet.
Yes, agreed.
That's all I got.
Okay, did I have anything else? Hi, guys. Heather and I... Nope.
Nope. Never mind.
Okay.
Told you we'd screw this one up. On to the can. Nick.
I said my can things, Heather.
I have can things.
What are you going to say?
I'll say things.
Okay.
This uses the brand colors really consistently.
Rawr.
All right. This table has red stuff on it. It bugs me. Anyway.
Do you want me to bring you a magic eraser?
Maybe next time.
Okay.
Okay. All right, one episode down. Woo! All right, moving on to the company section. I hope you have more than I do. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, we're done. I'm too drunk.
Beautiful.
We did it. That was an entire episode with one take for each section.
Yeah.
We killed it.